Hello. What's happening for many families is they're logging into Google Classroom, but they're not getting access to some of the documents attached to assignments. And why that might be happening is because there's two levels of logging in within Google. There's logging in with Google Chrome, which is going to be this picture or letter or initials right here. And then there's logging into Google Classroom. And if those are not the same, and the two people have different levels of permission, you will not be able to open attachments. So what you need to is when one of your students is using the computer, this symbol when you're in Google Classroom and this need to be the same. You can manage multiple accounts by clicking on this top right version and adding more people. I would recommend adding every student and person in your household to this list and then navigating and switching between the accounts this way when they go to sign into Google Classroom. If you need to add anyone, click plus add, write their name, pick a picture, and I would also recommend creating a desktop shortcut. Click add, and then sign in. Once you click that option, you're going to sign in with whatever email account you use, and that will always create that user as one of the options here. And then you can easily just click on these students to navigate. Thanks. It should be noted that if you're using any of these other common internet browsers, this double sign-in is not going to be an issue. It is only an issue in Google Chrome, where you can log into Google Chrome and Google Classroom. Thanks.